Hi, I'm Daniel Green. Does a big old fry-up sound amazing? Bacon, eggs, mushrooms, tomatoes, beans, all on slices of toast? Yeah, but a lot of hard work. How about I show you how easy it is as we fire up the pantry? So I'm going to make a big old fry-up, but what I'm going to do is make it easy and what I call an edible plate. So this is all you need. Some puff pastry. Hopefully you've got some in your freezer. Can of baked beans. That's something, again, using from the pantry. Eggs that last a long time, so have plenty of them because it's a way we get protein and also very inexpensively. I've got some turkey bacon, which again lasts a long time, some tomatoes and mushrooms. So now I have set my oven to 400 degrees. It only cooks for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to take out the puff pastry. Now this has been thawed, so you want to make sure it's either been in the fridge for a little bit or you've just let it at room temperature. I'm going to roll this out and I'm just going to take one of the slices, which will be enough, and pop that on my chopping board. Now to this, I'm just going to cut around into a little circle because I want it to fit perfectly in my frying pan, which actually I'm not frying, but I'm going to be putting in the oven. So make sure your pan is oven safe when you do this. I'll grab my pan. I put a little bit of spray in this, just so it's got a tiny bit of oil. And then I'm just going to go around the edges and I want to make a little bit of a roll around because I want a little bit of a ledge so the eggs don't fall out of it. And it just pops around like this. This really couldn't be easier to make, and I'll tell you, this is perfect for two people. It's going to fill you up. It's absolutely brilliant, and maybe it's what you're missing on a Sunday brunch because you can't go out to a restaurant. Well, this is something that just looks amazing, tastes amazing, and when it comes out the oven, the aroma of that puff pastry is second to none. Now, this is what we do. We take a little bit of our turkey bacon. I like to use turkey bacon because I don't want too much fat in it, and I don't want that to splatter around. I'm going to make one little parcel of that. I'm going to just take away the rest of that puff pastry. Then I'm going to take a couple of mushrooms, pop those in here. Then I'm going to take an egg or two, depending how big your pan is. And that goes over there. I'm going to put in some tomatoes. You know what? I'm going to do 2 eggs. Pop that in there. Some baked beans. Now with the baked beans, I don't want much of the sauce. I really want just the beans. So I'm going to pop that in here. And the beauty of this, it really is amazing, is when it just slides out, you've got the whole plate that you can eat. So it's like instead of the toast, that's where all of the bread is, soaks it up. Absolutely gorgeous. That goes in the oven for about 15 minutes. Read the back of the pack, and then it comes out and breakfast is served. So there you got it, a breakfast fit for a king. We've got eggs, we've got tomatoes, turkey bacon, mushrooms, baked beans, with this beautiful whole crust and plate that you can eat. Now, make sure you subscribe to us and see more ideas I come up with from using my pantry. And leave us a comment, because I'd love to know what you've got and how we can make it fun.